Work. We generally use the term work to relate to activities in our daily life. In general terms, any physical or mental activity can be defined as work. In physics, however, work is used in a carefully defined manner. Work is done by a force on a body only if the force applied displaces the body in the direction of the applied force. So you can see that there is a difference in the usual definition of work and the definition of work in physics. So guess you got the difference in meaning now. If a lot of force is applied to a body, it moves the body a longer distance in the direction of the applied force, resulting in a large amount of work being done. Whereas a small amount of force applied on a body moves the body only a short distance, resulting in lesser amount of work being done. That is, work done by a force depends on the magnitude of the applied force. That is, W is proportional to F. And the distance travelled by the body in the direction of the applied force, that is, W is proportional to S. In its simple form, if a constant force F displaces a body at a distance S in the direction of the force, then work done by the force is the product of force and displacement. Does a body always move in the direction of applied force? No. A body can also move at an angle to the direction of the applied force. In such a case, we will consider the component of displacement in the direction of force as S cos theta. So work done, W, is equal to F into S cos theta. Let us see how does the work done change with respect to the value of theta. Say, a man lifts a load from the ground to place it on his head. The displacement is in the same direction of the applied force, which is upward, while the gravitational force acts downward. In the case of applied force, the displacement is along the direction of the applied force. So theta will be 0. Since cos 0 is 1, the work done here will be F into S, and the work done is positive. As for the gravitational force, as it is opposite to the displacement of the body, theta will be 180 degrees. Since cos 180 is minus 1, the work done here will be minus F into S. Thus the work done by the gravitational force on the body is negative. If the man carrying the load now walks for a distance S, horizontally, a gravitational force F acts at a right angle to the direction of the motion, making an angle of 90 degrees, so theta will be 90 degrees. Since cos 90 is 0, the work done here by the gravitational force will be 0. We can now symbolize these three scenarios in a single representation. Here, the work done by the force F is positive, while the work done by the frictional force is negative, and the work done by the gravitational force is 0. Say the box was displaced by a distance of 1 meter by the application of 1 Newton force, then 1 joule work is said to be done. Thus, the unit of work is Newton meter or 1 joule. Work is a scalar quantity as it has only magnitude. Things to remember. Work is done by a body if the force applied displaces the body in the direction of the applied force. Work, W, is equal to F into S cos theta. Work can be positive, negative, or 0. Unit of work is Newton meter or joule.